Hey, how's it going? So I got this through the Uber app. Very easy to get. You just have to scan the QR code and you're good to go. And now I'm biking like everybody. Over there you see Cristo, the big Brazilian Jesus Cristo they have it. And I'm on my way. I'm gonna pass first Botafogo. Fogo de Chao is right here, as I say Botafogo. And then I'm going to Flamengo Beach. To the other side was Rasta Beach, Copacabana, Ipanema, Leblon. But I'm not doing that today. Today I want to go to Flamengo. What I do like is they do have these boardwalks that are specifically for the bikes. So it's nice. Because for a while I thought I had to actually ride it in the street, which is a bitch. Because you can hit a car, can hit a window, someone can hit you, you know. But it's really nice. So one of the reasons that I'm going this way rather than the other way is because the other way is more gringo-fied. So the prices are more jacked up. Even now in Praia Vermelha, I just wanted to get a caipirinha. And a caipirinha there is 20 reals. 20 reals at today's price. That's about like a good $4 to $5 if you're counting USD. If you got euros or even better Swiss francs, then it's 7 to 1. That's today's price. But if you come down here to the other side of the Sugarloaf Mountain, to the left side, if you're looking at it straight, you get cheaper drinks. You get caipirinhas for 10, 15. And they're muito bom and muito grande também. But it's also this view. On the other side, the good thing is you get younger people, you get people that are more in the mood of partying, whether it's drinking, smoking, whatever it is that they're into. On this side, this part is a little bit more lonely because people can't actually get in that particular water.